welcome back. Happy belated New Year. I know I haven't been posting, but I promise the nails look awful, so you will be getting some paint with me soon. But today we actually have a Borboleta unbox with me, you know, because we love a little Borboleta blue. So yeah, without further ado, please hit subscribe right down below. I'm gonna get my box cutter and let's get this baby open. All right, so got my box cutter. I honestly probably should get a table that's like a reasonable height, but you guys know, we're not there yet. Before I was using like my hair tray, but I don't know, I feel like that's a lot. All right, out she goes. First, we have Lash Foam Bath Cleanser. The best, honestly. All my clients love the Borboleta like formulation just because I feel like it's a lot more gentler on their eyes than other brands. And then I also have some mini lash baths, just because I give these away with my full sets and people do like them for travel, so I always try to like really suck up on these because I actually go through quite a bit every month. Sorry guys, little coats, a little under the weather. And then we also have cool downs. These are actually amazing. That's why I have my little mini fridge here. If you put these in the fridge and then you put them under your eye, gold, baby, gold. They honestly, it makes, like, it depuffs your eyes, but it also just like relaxes you, especially like at the end of the service or even if you're just at home. And then I also have some asymmetrical curve bio gel pads. I actually like this shaping. I do use the other one, which is just like the clean curve as well, but the asymmetrical curve, it really does, you know, like get into that whole under eye area, especially when it starts to like swoop up. What is this? Ooh, more foam cleanser. And then I have another mini lash bath. Ooh, and then this is new. I got a lift up brush, well, like kind of like lash picker tool. It's for, you know, like, I don't know if you guys know, but Borboleta actually introduced their whole like lash lift line, which you can also use for brow lamination because it's like the same perming process. But this is the tool to like isolate and, you know, like pull up lashes. So I thought I'd try it out. So maybe you guys will get a lash with me soon and maybe see me use it in the act. And then let me see what I have for lashes today because I ordered a decent amount of books. Let me see. Are they even all going the right way? No. What would they? Okay, so we no longer need the box because that's all that's in the box. All right, so over here we have D.03 in 11 and 9mm, and then we also have a 0.03 and 12mm lashes here. I've honestly been using a lot of 0.03 lately just because it's so good. Like, I feel like it gives you such a fluffy texture and they're so light that it just, chef's kiss, you know, like chef's kiss. And then I also got D in 0.03 and 10mm, CC 0.03 and 12mm again, and then 0.05 11mm for C. I got two of those in CC, and then I got D.03 in 13 as well as in 12. So that is my little lash book haul. All right guys, that is all I have for you guys today for today's Borboleta unbox with me. I hope you guys enjoyed and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. But please feel free down below to leave me any comments of any like unboxings you'd like to see, just like, you know, beauty industry wise, because, you know, here I cover hair, nails, lashes, and brows. If you want to see more swatch videos, I know I haven't done a swatch with me in a long time, and I promise you guys I'm getting some paint with me's because like I did some colors the other day and they're no longer looking good. So you will definitely be getting some paint with me's, and if you have any ideas for paint with me's, please let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.